Hello, good day everybody. How are you doing? It's your man Michael Armstrong. We're here to make some money in the market. I hope your day is going well. Good afternoon, good evening, good night, depending on your geolocation. Today we'll be using something interesting, our AI power trading board, to make some money in the market. Before we continue, remember to subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscription button. Make sure you like this video as well by hitting the like button below this video as we go ahead to crush the market. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be using our AI powered trading board to scale our market of 30 USD, and we're gonna see how much money we're gonna make in this session. Let's go. So how does this work? We're gonna choose any of our pairs, in this case Tron OTC, to go ahead and ask our trading board what the position is gonna be. Is it a buy or sell? Tron is a cryptocurrency. Here we go. Tron OTC. I'll be taking my trade on 15 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. It is a sell. We'll go ahead and execute a sell order, as easy as that. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out after a 15 seconds waiting time. Prediction is that this is gonna be a strong volatile trade with a success probability to be high. On our timer, ladies and gentlemen, we have 4 seconds left. Yes, it's looking good for us. 2 seconds, 1, and here we go, people. Yes, first trade is a win. Nice and easy. The next trade is gonna be Cardano OTC, people. We're gonna go and hit the market with full account balance on 15 seconds on Cardano OTC. Let's go ahead and ask our trading board. Cardano OTC is a cryptocurrency, ladies and gentlemen. On 15 seconds, what is it gonna be? It is a sell, people. Let's go ahead and execute a sell order on this trade. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out, people. Okay, this is predicted to be a high volatile trade with a success probability to be high. The sellers are pushing down the market and it is looking good for us. Yes, looking good, ladies and gentlemen. 3 seconds left on our timer. 2 seconds, 1, and here we go. Yes, that's another win for us, people. Let's go ahead and hit the market with our next trade. What is it gonna be? We're gonna go ahead and hit the market with BNB OTC. That's gonna be our next trade. We're risking everything we've got. That's 110.59 USD. Let's go ahead and ask our trading board what the prediction is gonna be for cryptocurrency BNB OTC. Ladies and gentlemen, on 15 seconds, what is it gonna be? It is a buy. Let's go ahead and execute a buy order on this trade. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out, ladies and gentlemen. On our timer, we have 9 seconds left. 8 seconds. Holding on tight to see how this is gonna play out, people, and it is looking good. Yes, 3 seconds on our timer. 2 seconds, 1, and here we go, ladies and gentlemen. That's our 1, 2. This is our third trade of the session, and everything is looking good so far. We've been able to trade our account from 30 USD to 212.33. Let's go ahead and hit the market with our next trade, which is Bitcoin OTC. Bitcoin OTC, that's gonna be our next trade. We're gonna go ahead and hit the market with full account margin. Let's go ahead and ask our trading board for cryptocurrency Bitcoin OTC. Bitcoin OTC on 15 seconds, people. What is it gonna be? And it is a sell. Let's go ahead and execute a sell order on this trade, ladies and gentlemen. We are risking everything we've got. 212.33 USD. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out after a waiting time. On our timer, we have 7 seconds left, ladies and gentlemen. Holding on, yes, and it's looking good for us. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1, and here we go, people. Yes, that's another win for us today. Thanks to our AI powered trading board, we're cruising the market. Next, what is it gonna be? Ethereum OTC, ladies and gentlemen. Account on maximum will be scaling up as usual. Let's go ahead and ask our trading board what is it gonna be for cryptocurrency Ethereum OTC. On what, ladies and gentlemen? 15 seconds. It is a buy. Let's go ahead and execute a buy order on this trade. What is the prediction? Strong volatile trade on 15 seconds. Success probability to be high. Alright, let's look at this, ladies and gentlemen. 6 seconds left on our timer. It is looking good. 4 seconds, 3 seconds, people. Holding on tight. 2 seconds, 1, and here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Nice and smooth. Another win. Let's go ahead and hit the market with the next trade. Litecoin OTC. AI powered trading board giving us a hit in the market. We're able to place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different trades, and it has been back-to-back wins, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go ahead and ask our trading board what the prediction is gonna be for Litecoin OTC. Cryptocurrency, where are you? Litecoin on 15 seconds, people. It is a buy. Let's go ahead and execute a buy order on this trade. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out. 92% payout percentage for this trade. Let's hope this is the trade that's gonna take us over $1,700. 3 seconds left on the timer. 2 seconds, 1, and here we go, people. Yes, that's another win for us. Ladies and gentlemen, we are on 1,254.12 USD on a trade we started from 30 USD. Isn't this amazing? Nice and smooth. Let's go ahead and hit the market with the next trade. What it is gonna be? Tron 15 seconds full account margin. All right, we're risking everything we've got on this trade. Let's go ahead and ask our trading bot Tron OTC. Is this a trade that's gonna take me to 2,400? We are about to find out. 97%, 78% payout percentage. It is a sell. Let's go ahead and execute a sell order on this trade as predicted by AI Power Trading Bot. All right, ladies and gentlemen, 15 seconds medium volatility level, success probability to be high. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out. 6 seconds left on the timer. The sellers are coming in and it's looking good. 3 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. 2 seconds, 1, and here we go, people. Yes, that's another win for us today. Thanks to our AI Power Trading Bot, we're able to trade this account from a 30 USD balance, and right now, as you can see, we are hitting it hard. Ladies and gentlemen, what is it gonna be our next trade? Bitcoin ETF OTC. I'm gonna go ahead and risk how much for this trade. Let me go ahead and risk maximum account. We are scaling up this account. All right, this is potentially our last trade for this session. Let's go ahead and see what the prediction is gonna be. We're risking everything we've made so far. Hopefully 100% risk is gonna pay out on 15 seconds, people. What is it gonna be? It is a sell. Let's go ahead and execute a sell order on this trade. We are going to hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out after a 15 seconds waiting time. Ladies and gentlemen, prediction is this is meant to be a high volatile trade with a success probability to be high. On our timer, we have 4 seconds left, 3 seconds, and it is looking good. 1 second, ladies and gentlemen, and here we go. Yes, it has been a very good time in the market thanks to our artificial intelligence power trading bot gathering facts and strategies from different company and forecasts. We were able to get trades today, and we were able to turn our account from 30 USD for 4,627 USD. We're gonna go ahead and subtract our investment for today, which is our balance when we started this trade, 30 USD. In total today, ladies and gentlemen, we're able to make 4,597.83 USD. Isn't this amazing, ladies and gentlemen? This is amazing. With the help of AI Power Trading Bot, we're able to make this amount of money in less than 10 minutes. I highly recommend you use this. Inculcate this to your trading habit, and you'll be able to boost your account balance like never before. I highly recommend you get this for yourself. All right. Before I sign out, people, a quick reminder to subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscription below this video. Make sure you like this video as well, so that the algorithm will send you many more of my videos. All right, check the description. There is a link there that takes you straight to our Telegram channel, where you have access to free signals and many free products. The link is clipped in the comment section for you. All right. I'll be signing out now. It's your man Michael Armstrong. I wish you good luck in the market and much more money. All right. Bye bye.